In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a transaction in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online in Google Chrome and sign in. Chrome typically gives the best performance with QuickBooks, so if you've experienced slow pages or buttons that don't respond in other browsers, switching to Chrome can help. Once you're in your company file, give the page a moment to fully load so all menus are ready to use. Next, look to the top left of your screen for the plus sign labeled New. This is your launch point for creating just about any transaction. A single click opens a panel with options grouped by type, making it easy to find what you need without hunting through menus. Now choose the kind of transaction you want to enter: expense, sales receipt, or invoice. A quick reminder on when to use each. Use expense when you paid for something right away with cash, a card, or directly from a bank account. Use sales receipt when you made a sale and collected payment immediately. Use invoice when you made a sale but will be paid later. Picking the right form ensures your reports and balances reflect reality. On the form, fill in the essentials: the date, the amount, the payee or customer, and the category. The date determines which period the transaction lands in, so make sure it matches the actual payment or sale date. The amount should reflect the total you paid or received. For payee or customer, search your existing list or add a new one if needed. Category refers to the account in your chart of accounts, things like office supplies, utilities, or sales income, and it's what drives accurate reporting. If you're entering an expense, choose the payment account at the top so QuickBooks knows which bank or card it came from. For invoices and sales receipts, verify the product or service, rate, and tax if applicable. Add a memo or attachment when it will help you or your accountant understand the transaction later. Before you save, take a moment to review. Confirm the date is correct, the payee or customer is accurate, and the category truly reflects what was purchased or sold. Check sales tax or VAT if that applies, and skim any memo or reference number for typos. A quick review now prevents cleanup work later. When everything looks good, choose Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you want to immediately enter another transaction. That's it. Simple, accurate, and ready for your books.